Okay, we started with the use of ECMA, now for Vespa Large and after for Vespa Small. From Vespa Large, we have the new shock absorber Pinasco. It's totally done by Pinasco. Is a model for Vespa Large Frame PX, a model for Vespa Small Frame PK, and it is a full CNC with 20 regulation of extension and 20 regulation for compression, high and low speed, and with regulation for the spring. And we use this this year in the racetrack, and we solve many problems that there are the Vespa. These are suspension for Vespa. They are not scooter modified for Vespa, are for Vespa.
Yeah.
And the inside all valve are for model of Vespa, calculated with the level for the Vespa. Second, for the racetrack that we use this year is the new caliper radial system, and it used for, we had the caliper, but there is an evolution because we increase material. We in the race have many problems with the high temperature with the brake, and we solve the problem to increase material, to put a little bridge that not permit the open the caliper, and second we add the air cooler that I show you after in the video with the mounting in the race Vespa.
So it has the ridges to allow the cool air through and keep the temperature down.
Because in Pomposa the brake are very strong. I don't know in English, fatica. They work many.
Quite tight tracks.
Yes.
Many stops.
And in this case, we arrived to a level of temperature of the oil, and one time
Nothing.
And with this solution we solve the problem.
Okay. And is this the carrier?
Yes.
Is this new as well?
No, this is an old model.
Okay.
But we are waiting the new model with the hole for the sensor for the tachometer.
Speedometer.
The speedometer.
Yeah.
And in this case, we have only this because are not ready the new model, because we are waiting. But I think in the start of 2026 we have a complete kit.
And this will be. You'll be able to exchange this for the factory item on the Piaggio PX?
Yes, it's for Piaggio PX and for the fork of Vespa PK.
Okay.
And you can use it in the 83 or 50 with the fork Vespa 83.
But you can use the Piaggio disc and the Piaggio...
Full Piaggio.
Yes.
Our pieces are adapted for Piaggio.
Are these shock absorbers rebuildable? Like you can get new seals and things for them?
So,
Yes. If you have a problems that is finished the gas, you must change the piston. You send me and we replace material inside. No, there is a service. We have a new CDI ignition with many coils. Same rotor is the same at all the Flytech. The new name is Flash, and it have high voltage, and you can use LED or classic light without change only the regulator. There is one wire only for I don't know in English voltage.
I know what you mean. Yeah, to smooth out the...
and there is one cable with voltage linear.
Direct. Alternating current,
Yes.
direct current, AC, DC.
We have...
sorry, you say more power outputs. You say it's similar to the Flytech, but it has more power?
Yes. Only in the down RPM. In a high RPM, the power is similar.
Okay.
And we will have with the two types of CDI, fixing CDI and advanced CDI.
Okay.
And in this case, the fan are the fan is a classic fan by aluminum, similar to original, or you can choose the fan full by CNC, and it's the client that change what he want. We have the smart crankcase. You remember that our crankcase 200 with a free bearing and special seal oil, and we have the free membrane intake put in the crankcase for using carburetor SE. This is we are the first that we used all this system for the Vespa. For I don't know if you look last years that we have 252 for a crankcase 200.
Yes.
Now he's ready with his crankshaft. Is complete plug and play because the piston have a shape that you don't need make the transfer in the crankcase. You can use without a modification of the crankcase. And this is good because if you have original PX crankcase you don't want to touch, you can increase the power, but with original no modification.
Okay. So just the cylinder, the crankshaft, and the piston.
Yes, the crankshaft. You don't make a boring inside. The crankshaft is the flywheel side is a 98. With 98 you can use
So it's original.
original. Don't touch.
Very good.